That's a really good question. I used to do a lot of facials at home with my mom growing up. The earliest age I think was like when I was 6 or 7, because my mom and my grandmother used to take me to Korean public bathhouses every weekend, and we would bring milk. That's a little outdated, but we could actually splash onto our face because milk has lactic acid and really helps to strengthen the skin's barrier and brighten the skin. So I remember going to these public bathhouses with like a milk carton, and then we would just squat down and splash milk all over our face and then rinse it off later. So that was my very first masking moment. That's actually why we created this product, because I personally have a really bad experience. When I tried retinol for the first time, my face burned, and it was a very bad experience. I never wanted to ever touch retinol again, but I realized I didn't take the right approach. I used retinol that had a very high percentage without, taking all the rest into consideration. I think I was using other acids. I didn't use gentle products in conjunction, so I think it was, partially my fault, but also my skin wasn't ready for such high level of retinol. So with this one, it was our mission and goal to actually introduce retinol for those that are just starting out, or those that probably had a bad experience because of what I did, for example, or just has really sensitive skin, so retinol didn't necessarily work on their skin yet. So you just need to kind of work your way up to prepping your skin to be adjusted to this active ingredient, and for that reason we encapsulated retinol so that it is ultra gentle. Think of it as like a cocoon that wraps your very potent active ingredient that's ready to like explode, but you're just wrapping it. And what this does is it helps to slowly release the active ingredient little by little throughout the night. So by the time you wake up, it's still the same result, it's just a gentle approach. So we did that, and then by buffering this ingredient with avocado, I think makes it extra nourishing and more gentle, so we were able to do that. So we say, a lot of people ask us, what's the right age of starting to use retinol? I'm in my early 20s, like is this too early? Is this my mother's ingredient? And I would say, if you start earlier, it's actually better because you are preventing your skin from further damages or sensitization by building this healthy barrier, and retinol helps to do that.
Okay. And can you just touch on a little bit why you decided to do a mask for the full face and then specifically one for the eye area?
Yeah. So those ingredients, the avocado and the encapsulated retinol, are sort of like the key ingredients that help to kind of bring back your healthy state. But we also learned that for the eye area, if paired with the right ingredients, retinol really helps to treat milia, dark circles, and fine lines, and these are specific concerns that we have for around the eye. Also, puffiness is a big concern that we all have. We're always on our phone, we're always traveling. Puffiness is a real problem. So we wanted to create something that really treats these issues directly and in a pretty dramatic way, and retinol really helps with that. But we also added specific ingredients for these products. So for example, this eye product also has coffee berry, and we all know that caffeine really helps to brighten and depuff the under eye. And coffee berry is the most natural form of caffeine. It's also packed with antioxidants, which is really great. It also has niacinamide, which helps to brighten the eye area, and hyaluronic acid, so for hydration. So it's a really amazing ingredient list for eye. And then for face, we learned that it's amazing to actually reduce redness if you use retinol the right way, and also treat blemishes. Sometimes I get adult acne on my chin or breakouts when I travel too much, and whenever I use this, it really helps to soothe the skin because retinol is able to do that. But we also paired it with other ingredients like matcha and ginger, and these are again high antioxidant rich ingredients that are so amazing for calming the skin. So the ingredient lists are very different in that sense. We kind of geared it towards the problems that we have for all of our face versus the eye area. marketing and product development at L'Oreal for 10 years each, in both Korea and the US. So we just have a very similar background, very similar thought process, but we at the same time we have different approaches because we have different personalities. So I think those really complement one another. And I think, you know, as entrepreneurs, sometimes you feel like you're alone. Do you know what I mean? You have other vendors or companies that might not always be on the same page as you. But to have a co-founder who can be a sounding board and who can, you know, agree with your opinion and sometimes vent with you, be in the, you know, the challenges together, so you can like resolve issues together. Just mentally, it's such a strong driver, I think, to just keep going forward. Yeah.